Okay, and welcome to the A.E.Mackintosh channel. Thanks for joining me. It's an exciting day today because I've got a big box to open, and who doesn't love it when a delivery comes and you've got a big parcel to open? So let's open it, see what it is. Okay, Coocheer pressure washer, pressure washing gun, bits and pieces and accessories. Box here, and the main is here. Okay. Pretty good. So that goes on there. Comes with a screwdriver. Not too much assembly. And this bit goes on there. Fantastic. And then there's a gun there, and it's got an adjustable spray nozzle, fan nozzle, all in one. Another box here, which I'm just going to open. How cool is this? It's got this really cool car washing attachment. So we have here Coocheer pressure washer. How about this? Awesome. This is pretty heavy duty domestic pressure washer, 3,500 psi. We've got it with obviously the pressure hose. We've got a pressure gun here with an adjustable nozzle, and then we've got car washing attachment. So we'll have a go with that, and the spray nozzle attachment as well. So let's go and see what we can find that we can clean. So there we are. What a great pressure washer. Really packs a punch actually. Quite impressed with it. I hate being a cleaning service and having a dirty van, so I've been able to clean up my van really nicely. Looks really smart now. It's really brilliant, this little nozzle. It doesn't come with a range of nozzles, but it's just got that twist nozzle on the end there to adjust the fan of the jet from pencil jet to wider fan jet. Even for cleaning up this side passageway, it's turned out really well. Usually a dark, dingy area gets a bit damp, but I've really brightened up the place, and that's smartened that up really well. So fantastic, quite impressed with that machine. So thanks for watching. Links in the description to more information about the machine as well. There's loads more satisfying pressure washing videos if you check out the A.E.Mackintosh channel. Go directly to my channel. Patios, driveways, even roof cleaning. So go and have a look at that. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll catch up with you guys again very soon. Take care.